Welcome to Better Maths Academy. So in this lesson, I want to show you how to solve questions like this. So we are given 5 raised to the power 2x plus 5 raised to the power 2x equal to 200. Okay, remember in algebra that if you have x plus x, so this is equals to 2x. So I can say that 5 raised to the power 2x plus 5 raised to the power 2x means 2 bracket 5 raised to the power 2x. And this is equal to 200. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to divide both sides by 2. So this becomes that 5 raised to the power 2x is equal to 100 because I have divided both sides by 2. So since this is 5 raised to the power 2x, the base here is 5. I'm going to break down 100 into 4 times 25 so that I can write that 25 as 5 raised to the power 2. So this becomes 5 raised to the power 2x is equal to 4 times 25. So that 5 raised to the power 2x is equal to 4 is something as 2 raised to the power 2 times 25 is something as 5 raised to the power 2. So the next thing to do, I'm going to divide both sides by 5 raised to the power 2. I'm going to divide here by 5 raised to the power 2, divide here by 5 raised to the power 2. So it means that 5 raised to the power 2 can cancel that 5 raised to the power 2, and we are left with 5 raised to the power 2x divided by 5 raised to the power 2. Remember in indices that if you have a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, so this is something as a raised to the power m minus n. So division law says we should take one base and subtract the power. So since this is 5 raised to the power 2x and 5 raised to the power 2, I'm going to take one base and then subtract the power. It becomes 5 raised to the power 2x minus the power of the base is 2. And this is equal to 2 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, so simplifying further, this is something as 5 raised to the power 2 bracket x minus 1 equal to 2 raised to the power 2. So the next thing I'm supposed to do is to take the logarithm of both sides so that this power can come down. So this becomes, taking logarithm of both sides, we have log 5 raised to the power 2 bracket x minus 1. This is equal to logarithm of 2 raised to the power 2. So bringing down this power, it becomes 2 bracket x minus 1 log 5. And this is equal to, bringing down this power, becomes 2 log 2. Okay, so since these 2 and these 2 are the same thing, they can cancel out. So this becomes x minus 1 log 5. This is equal to log 2. So what I'm going to do next is to divide both sides by log 5. So divide here by log 5 and divide here by log 5. So this becomes that x minus 1 is equal to log 2 divided by log 5. So division law of logarithm says if you have log a over log b, that is something as log a in base b. Okay, so applying the same thing here, it becomes that x minus 1 is equal to log, this is 2 and the base is going to be 5. So making x the subject, so x is equal to log 2 in base 5 plus 1. It means that this is equal to log 2 in base 5 plus log 5 in base 5. Okay, because log 5 in base 5 is equal to 1. So this is something as log 2 times 5 in base 5, because addition of logarithm says we should multiply the two values. So this is equal to log 10 in base 5. So it means that x is equal to log 10 all in base 5. It is quite simple and it is verifiable. So let's verify that x is equal to log 10 in base 5. So this is 5 2 log 10 in base 5 plus 5 2 log 10 in base 5. So this is something as 5 log 10 raised to the power 2 in base 5 plus 5 log 10 raised to the power 2 in base 5. So this is 5 log 100 in base 5 plus 5 log 100 in base 5. So remember the index logarithm law that says that when you have a log b in base a, so this we cancel out this so that you are just left with b. So since this is log 5, the base is 5, log 5, the base is 5. So it means that this will take care of this and this will take care of this. So we are just left with 100 plus 100. So this is equal to 200. Exactly what we have here. So it means that x is equal to log 10 base 5. So I believe that this is quite simple and you can solve similar questions wherever you see it. So if you like the lesson, do it to like and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscription button. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.